Every time you open a bank account, make a UPI payment, or apply for a loan, there is invisible technology checking your identity, tracking the transactions, and preventing crime. That technology is called RegTech. Hello everyone, this is Chandri Bhattacharya from Dr. Shaurav's classes, and today we will understand the regulatory technology or the RegTech, one of the fastest growing and highest demand career areas in fintech. So, RegTech uses the technology to help the financial institutions follow the laws and the regulations. These rules come from RBI, SEBI, FIU, IND, and FAFT, and the global regulators. RegTech automates the compliance, reporting, monitoring, and the risk control, saving time, money, and human errors. Without RegTech, banks would need thousands of employees checking the transactions manually. With the digital payments growing, fraud risk have also increased. So RegTech helps detect money laundering, fake identities, terror financing, and the cybercrime in real time. Some major RegTech functions include the KYC and the digital identity verification, AML, that is anti-money laundering systems, transaction monitoring and anomaly detection, and risk scoring and regulatory reporting, and the data privacy and audit traits. These systems protect both the institutions and consumers. Now, RegTech offers stable, high-respect careers such as the compliance analyst, AML and KYC specialist, risk and fraud analyst, regulatory reporting officer, and the fintech compliance consultant. These roles are ideal for the commerce, management, economics, engineering, and the law students. Now, to enter RegTech, students should learn the basics of banking and financial systems, RBI and SEBI regulations, data analysis and dashboards, fraud patterns and case studies, and the ethical decision making. This combination makes you industry ready. Now, at Dr. Shaurav's classes, RegTech is taught with the real regulatory frameworks, live case discussions, and the exam-oriented as well as the career-oriented training. We focus on the small batches, one-to-one guidance, and practical understanding so students don't just clear the examinations, they build meaningful careers. In a digital economy, trust is everything. So RegTech professionals protect that trust. If you want a fintech career that combines technology, law, ethics, and stability, RegTech is your future. So like, share, and subscribe, and join Dr. Shaurav's classes to learn fintech the right way. Join us today.